Team Fearless channel have 4.4 million subscribers. And this channel was monetized in YouTube Partner Program. And this channel earned $613 to $9.8 thousand monthly according to Social Blade. This channel only uploads simple motivation video and getting million views. In today's video, I will make video for YouTube using free AI tools. If you don't know how to edit video, give voiceover, no problem. All work was done by AI tools. For that we are going to ChatGPT. As you know, create a good video, you first need to come up with good story idea. So, I asked chatbot to write a motivation story of a boy who was suffering from money. If you didn't like the story, you can tell chatbot to generated the another story. But I like this story of Alex. Now we have a good story. But we don't have voiceover and video, for that we are going to use SteveAI. Now, go to the search bar and type SteveAI. I will also leave the link of SteveAI in descriptions box. When you come this page, click on sign up, and you can create account from Google or Facebook. But I already have account, so I will not sign up, I will simply log into my account. When you come in this page, click on text to animation. Now choose the type of video and your video ratio. Choose the video category, I will choose explanation video. Now we need script for our video. For that we are going to ChatGPT and copy the whole story and back to the SteveAI and paste your story here. Now choose what is your video about. Our video is all about Alex. Now, add your music and voiceover. You can also choose male female here. Click on auto highlights. It will make our video better. When you finish everything, click on next. Now we have to choose our design. For example, I will choose this design. You can change here color and add transition. You can also change here character. There are many character available. You can choose whatever you like. You can also change your text style, color and many things. You can also change background color and style. When you finish all things here, click on publish. Now, download the video in MP4 file. Congratulations, we make our video without any hard work. All thing is done by AI tools. You don't have to any edit in your video. You don't have to give voiceover. You don't have to click any video. It was crazy. Let's look our video how it was look like.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Alex who grew up in a small town. Alex's family struggled to make ends meet, and they often faced financial difficulties.
Our video was amazing, everything was perfect, but it comes with watermark. But I have also solution for this. I will tell you in the end of the video. I know you guys, you think my video was finished, but what comes next will blow your mind. Now, we're going to create actual video with the help of SteveAI. Now, come to the home page of SteveAI and click on the text to video. Choose the live video here, don't choose animated video. And also choose category and title of your video. Then, go to the ChatGPT and copy the same story and paste into the SteveAI. Now choose what is your video about. Our video is all about Alex. Click on free here. Don't choose all, because if you choose all here, SteveAI will add watermark video and photo also. Add voiceover and auto highlights also. When you finish all things here, click on next. Then choose your design style here, whatever you like the most. You can change here color, transition, scene time and much more. You can change here background photos and video which you like the most. When you finish all thing here in workspace, click on publish. Then, simply click on download. Now, we have to remove watermark from our video. For that we are going to use 1 to 3 apps. It was totally free website to remove your watermark. I will also leave the link on description box. Click the remove logo from video and upload your video here. Now, you have to select the area of the watermark. When you finish select the area, click on the save. I will show you how our video look like without watermark.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Alex who grew up in a small town. Alex's family struggled to make ends meet, and they often faced financial difficulties. Despite their hardship.
Amazing! If you upload this type of story on YouTube, you will get million views. If you also want open YouTube channel, then this was right time to open YouTube channel. It's only take 5 minutes to make this type of video. The step you need to take on YouTube. Step 1, creating a YouTube channel. Step 2, create a YouTube name and descriptions using ChatGPT. Step 3, create a YouTube logo and banner using Canva. Step 4, generate a story using ChatGPT. Step 5, sign up on SteveAI and make video. Step 6. Ask ChatGPT to give title and descriptions for video. Step 7. Create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva and upload video on YouTube. Step 8. If you don't know how to take this step, watch my previous video. Remember that make money online requires time, effort and dedication to see results. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.